Wherever you go, wherever you look around Lake Monduran Holiday Park, you're going to find wildlife and bird life. Land birds, parrots, cockatoos and water birds.
G'day. Breakfast out on the deck. Watching the flocks of birds fly over. There's thousands of them.
Greenland. Stick digging it. Top of the trees, eh?
We're the Vaughans from Coffs Harbour. We've been here 1 week. We've caught a few fish, but we've had a magnificent time looking at the wildlife, just boating around in a nice safe lake.
Great spot, peaceful, quiet, nothing to disturb you. Great place to come. Get up here soon and find some fish.